Welcome to Sikho.ai, introducing Curing Meat at Home, the food safety science nobody explains. Home meat curing has exploded on social media. Dry-cured salami hanging in a spare closet, just salt and hang-it bacon, pink Himalayan salt as a health halo cure. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1, the science, why curing works and where it fails. Module 2, nitrite, and the myths around them. Module 3, practice, building a safe home curing setup. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.